What's up, guys? It's Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're gonna be working in South Tampa. We're gonna be doing a driveway cleaning here for this customer. Today I had no jobs in the schedule. I wasn't supposed to work. I got two calls and I was able to book both of them. I got my man Dujuan with me. He's gonna knock out these 2 jobs with me today. He owns his own pressure washing company as well. Been following the channel for a while, so today we're just linking up, just, you know what I'm saying, work together. He already knows what he's doing. He's not here for training, so let me show you guys what we got going on. All right, so we got this dirty driveway here with a lot of algae build up. This is gonna turn out very good. I can already tell by the way the concrete looks. It's gonna be a major transformation. We're also gonna wash this wall right here for this customer, where you guys can see there's a lot of algae here. We're just gonna downstream our SH on here, and all that will go away. The rest is not that bad. That's the only thing they wanted. But the one is already applying the mix right now to the driveway and the sidewalks, pre-treatment. You can see over here we got some heavy algae spots. And we'll stop right here at this block right here by this fence. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and also hit the bell so you know when I put up a new video. If you got any questions, drop them in the comment section and I'll answer all my comments. We are using the M5 twist today to apply. I don't have a lot of soap in my SH. I just got a fresh batch yesterday evening, so I gotta add some soap in there, some surfactant. I got a full tank of SH. I got like 90 gallons. This is 100 gallons, and I'm about right here. Big tank of SH. So everything has been hit right there. We're gonna let that sit and dwell, knock out this driveway, and then we rinse everything all at once. All right, guys, we're finishing up the curbs now. Do the bottom part too. We're fixing up the bottom over here, these curbs and everything in front of the house, and then we're gonna give it a rinse. You guys can see a major transformation so far. I don't think we'll have lines. I knew this concrete was gonna come out pretty good, but if we do have some, we'll just post treat them. The window up there is starting to look better. We gotta rinse it. I'm not sure if we gotta apply it one more time, but yeah, it's looking pretty good. So we're just gonna give this driveway a good rinse everything all at once, and we'll be done here. We've only been here for about a little bit over 20 minutes, just about 20 minutes. Alright, y'all, we wrapped up. This is the driveway here. Sidewalks are looking good. Rinse the bottom of the driveway as best as we can. It holds a lot of water and the drain is way down there. But we didn't have to post treat anything here. No lines on this concrete at all. Just that good concrete. I knew it was gonna look like that. And also we got the spot that was right there underneath the window cleaned up and rinsed away. We already packed up, ready to go. Probably gonna grab some lunch and then see y'all at the second job. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all, we're at the second job for the day. Right now we're in Wesley Chapel. We're gonna be doing a house wash for the pool builder that I did the work for. This is his house here. It's not that bad, but the back is pretty dirty. We're gonna be doing the house wash as well as the driveway here. We're gonna use both machines today, so that's gonna be fun. I'm gonna use the 12 to wash the house. The one is gonna use the 8 to do the driveway at the same time. So let's go check it out. So this is his sidewalk here. It's pretty dirty. The curves are pretty bad. I'm gonna pre-treat for him, and then he can do the surface cleaning while I'm doing the house wash. Like I said, the house is not really that bad over here, but the back looks pretty bad. So you got some dirt on the gutters. Gutters are pretty dirty. Fascia, I'm not the fascia, the soffits. Back here is pretty green. A lot of green on the window, dirt on the windows, caked up actually. I can feel it. It's pretty bad. And of course you can see the drip edge. And then this little slab back here. May have to bust out the turbo nozzle to get the actual weeds off the cracks. But yeah, see what we're doing here. Should be in and out. 305. Got that Dade County area code. See over here we got some dirt as well. Nothing major. Gonna get her done. We gotta get after it like dawn. What is this on this wall? I am not sure what this is. Maybe it's poop. I just touched it. I'll be alive. I'm good. All right, so let's get this thing started. you guys. So I thought we were gonna do 3 sides and then just rinse this last side and wash this last side at the same time. I got enough hose to wrap the whole house around. It's only 1,700 square feet, so it's not gonna dry. The SH is not gonna dry on the house. So therefore I don't need to split it. I'm gonna go ahead and knock out this last side here, let it dwell, and then rinse all at once. The one is taking care of the driveway. So I'm loving this 2 machine thing, man. Very efficient. All right, to put things into perspective, I started at 310. It's 318. The whole house is soaked up. And let's see how far Dujuan got. Look, he's already cleaned this part of the driveway. Heck, hey Dujuan, you already did this part already? Oh, not all the way down. Oh, actually he stopped right here. And now he's doing the sidewalks. This is pretty cool, man. So I'm gonna put y'all on Dujuan while I'm renting the house. Give my man some video time. I taught him everything he knows, so he's new and he's never used anything. He's never used this kind of equipment before, so he's like a kid in a candy store. Look how happy this man looks. Look at his smile. He's happy to use this kind of equipment. No, I'm kidding y'all. All right, guys, the house is completely washed. So the drip edges are nice and clean. Things were pretty dirty. Get that wall cleaned up, whatever that was on there. Let's see your time, 3:42. Like I said, we started at 3:10, so 32 minutes. Wash the house, the driveway, sidewalks. Only thing we have left to do is knock out this little pad back here. This is how you get your 5-star reviews, doing a little extra stuff like this. This is not part of the job, but we'll go ahead and knock it out for them. Okay, now we can show you guys the back, and we cleaned a small little pad for them back here, and as well as everything else that was dingy and dirty back here. No more green. Went ahead and rinsed that window that I told you guys about. Always go over your work when you're done before you leave. You guys can see the gutters came out good. Definitely looking good, man. Took us under an hour. We already packed up, so I didn't even count that time. Probably took us 45 minutes total. This is the driveway. I went ahead and put a porch treatment on here. Those oil stains will not come up with pressure washing. So, and the rust stains. You guys see that rust stain right there? That's not coming up. It's extra. But yeah, overall good job. All right, that's it. We're wrapping up the last of the hose, which is the water hose. And we'll be out of here. Using those two machines suck the water up fast. So we had to let the tanks fill up a little bit for tomorrow's jobs. Y'all, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you got any questions, just drop it in the comment section. All right, guys, I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.